Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this episode we are going to run Alpha 1 iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can use completely for free. Just click the link you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also below the video you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count, okay? Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you find a link to my WhatsApp community and Telegram group. Both these places I share all my forex trades and binary option trades. It's a set time every day, so it's easy for you to follow. So if you're in the interest about that, check it out. But now let's start up Alpha 1 iBot. we have it. As you can see, we did the trade. I did not make this video yesterday, but I did run the robot yesterday night before sleep. So that's the trade you can see here. I had one session right now. Today I just got in one trade, but one win, so we can't complain. We are making money at least. You can see with this red line you see up there, that was the line I was trading, and we just got this one trade all the way in the top there. You can see. I think you also almost you can see the. Let's I can show you. You see this arrow here. That's where we got in the trade that you see here. So make sure you follow me in these sessions because we basically are printing money in every single session. You find a link below the video. That's the WhatsApp and Telegram. If you have the choice to join both of them, do that. Otherwise, choose WhatsApp. There I give a little more information than I do in Telegram. But the trades will be in both of them, okay? But by the way, the robot did good. Let's see how much money we made. I see the payout was just 43%, so it's not that much. But let's see, by the way, we take now the $1,650. We take minus 1,153, and we made a profit of $497. I'm pretty happy with that. So with that, have an amazing day and make sure you register for this robot also.